So you've just finished mowing lawn. And now you need to throw this away. But don't throw it away. There's plenty of things you can do with grass cuttings that's going to be really beneficial to your vegetable garden or your flower garden. So let's go over a few examples. First off, you can use it as a mulch around your vegetables. So if you just spread it around your vegetables in the raised beds or containers, that is going to put nitrogen back into the soil and feed your plants. It will also help retain moisture. You can also add it to a compost bin. Mix all your grass cuttings in your compost bin with brown waste such as old dried leaves. Over a few months it will all break down and you'll keep topping it up, and eventually you will have free compost. Another really good use for grass cuttings is to take some and put them in a tub and then fill that with water. Basically what you're going to be doing here is leaving this in there for about 3 days. So let that sit in there for about 3 days. After 3 days, just strain all the water out into a watering can, and then you can water your raised beds and your containers, and it will feed them nitrogen. Also, if you have chickens, you can feed it to your chickens, and it's got health benefits. Also, another thing that you can do, when you finish mowing your lawn, don't go around raking it to get rid of every last bit of cut grass. Leave some on there. That will break down over time and feed nitrogen back into your lawn. So, there you go. A few tips on how you can use something that you would normally throw away to your benefit. Thanks for watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you next time.